Yeah.
Huge sweet potatoes. And that one's kind of deformed.
Yeah.
And it's got some damage, insect damage. Oh my goodness. This is not normal. That is humongous. Look at that. That is huge. That is humongous. Just from 6 little plants. Look at that.
Wow, that's huge.
And I broke it off. There's another piece that's down there.
That one got ants on it.
These are probably what they're supposed to be size-wise. But this is the first time we've actually gotten a harvest of actual...
Can't just pull the whole thing out?
Yeah, but I was trying to... It's probably heavy. Look at that. That is humongous. We're not going to be able to eat all of these. I have to share with your dad.
Yeah.
And in the same sense, we got onions growing also in the same bed over here. So,
What you can do?
guess we can unearth them. Jeez Louise, they're all down in there.
Check that out.
Look at that. That is like,
Woo!
like 4 potatoes in one.
Got plenty of bugs in there.
Yep.
It's making the soil good too.
That's weird. It was trying to go somewhere. I don't know where it was going. Got some little ones that didn't finish. Sift all this dirt to get all the... That broke off, so I'll trash that. This one was actually growing into the soil below. Yeah, it was growing in the soil below. Wow, that was all the way in the ground. So it didn't necessarily stay in the bucket.
Got some more like that. You need to get your pitchfork or something and get that dirt around because I did some more over here. Yeah.
Where?
Right in that area, right there when you just took out deeper down.
Well, at least we know it's not going to necessarily stay in the bucket. When you plant them, see it's already trying to root.
That's
some
good
more.
anyway. That's good.
Yeah, actually there's sweet potatoes in the ground.
Well, I'm gonna finish up, y'all.
Alrighty. We'll probably have sweet potatoes here next year because
It's deep down in there.
it's actually growing into the soil itself. Okay, and over here to show the actual sweet potato harvest. first sweet potato harvest of 2010, minus the bugs, of course. So, looks like that's it of all the stuff.
That's pretty good progress, Mama.
So, just need to sift through here, try to get as much as I can out. Alright, well that is it.